children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So today let us learn about subtraction. Recall that in order to subtract a smaller number from a bigger number, you have to write the smaller number below the bigger number and start subtracting the digits from the right to left. Remember to borrow if required. Yes children, if you remember from your previous classes, how do we subtract? We subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, yes, and we start subtracting from the right side, that is in the ones place. Now what is this bigger number called, children? This is called as the minuend. Is the bigger number that we write first is called as the minuend, and the smaller number, see, S for small, right? So S for subtrahend. The smaller number is called as the subtrahend, and the answer we get from subtracting, what is this called? This is called as the difference. Yes children, the bigger number is called as the minuend, smaller number S for small and S for subtrahend. Smaller number is called as the subtrahend, and the answer we get from subtraction is called as the difference. Yes. Let us look at an example here. A company manufactures two-wheelers and four-wheelers. It manufactured 15,46,824 units of vehicles in a year, out of which 12,18,452 were two-wheelers. Find the number of four-wheelers manufactured. Yes children, we have already learnt about two-wheelers and four-wheelers, right? So here we have a company that manufactures both two-wheelers and four-wheelers. Yes, they make both two-wheelers and four-wheelers. Now in a year, how many did it manufacture? How many vehicles? 15,46,824. Okay, the number of units manufactured in a year is equal to 15,46,824. Okay children, yes, this is our first piece of information. Now from that, 12,18,452 were two-wheelers. Yes, number of two-wheelers manufactured is equal to how much? 12,18,452. Now what should we find out? Find the number of four-wheelers manufactured. So what will our next step be? Number of four-wheelers manufactured is equal to, how to find out? The number of total units. See, the company is manufacturing some vehicles. What are they manufacturing? Two and four-wheelers. Now we already have the two-wheelers, yes, and we know the total. We know the total number of vehicles manufactured. Now we should find out the number of four-wheelers manufactured. How will we find out, children? We subtract, yes, the total number of vehicles. When we subtract the number of two-wheelers from it, the answer we get will be the number of four-wheelers. Yes children, from the total number of vehicles, if we remove the two-wheelers manufactured, the remaining will be our four-wheelers. So let us subtract. What should we subtract? 15,46,824 minus 12,18,452. Yes, let us subtract now. What will be our first step in subtracting, children? Write both the numbers one below the other in their place values, in the same place values. Yes, and bigger number is to be written first and smaller number is to be written second. Now where do we start subtracting from? From the ones place. 4 minus 2. Yes children, you can do this in two ways. Take 4 fingers and close 2. So 4 minus 2 will be 2 here, or else keep 2 in mind. Keep the smaller number in mind. Keep 2 in mind, and from 2 start counting. 3, 4. How many fingers did you need to reach 4? 2. So the answer of 4 minus 2 is 2. Clear children? Moving on to the tens place. Now 2 minus 5. Yes, 2 minus 5 is not possible. 2 is less than 5, so we cannot subtract it. What do? We borrow. 8 becomes 8 minus 1, 7. 2 becomes 1 to 12. Now again 12 minus 5. Keep 5 in mind and from 5 start counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sorry, from 5, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From 5 we started counting till we reached 12. Now how many fingers did it take? 7. So 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Clear, children? Now coming to the hundreds place. What do we have? 7 minus 4. Now keep 4 in mind. From 4 start counting. 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 3. So 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now 6 minus 8. Again 6 is less than 8. So we cannot subtract. We will borrow. 4 becomes 4 minus 1, 3. 6 becomes 1, 6, 16. 16 minus 8. Keep 8 in mind. Start counting. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, 16. 8. So 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Now coming to the 10,000s place, 3 minus 1. Take 3 fingers and close 1. How many are left? 2. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Coming to the lakhs place. 5 minus 2. We know that 5 minus 2 is 3 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now what is our answer, children? 3,28,372. What is this? This is the total number of four-wheelers manufactured. So how to write the answer here? Wait a minute, let me erase this. Yeah. How to write it? Therefore, total number of four-wheelers manufactured is equal to 3,28,300. So yes, that is what we have done. That is what it is written here, what we have done. Total number of two-wheelers, total number of vehicles. Therefore, the total number of four-wheelers becomes total vehicles minus the number of two-wheelers. Clear, children? Here, there is a certain verification given for us. What is verification? Checking whether our answer we got is correct or not. Add the two-wheelers and four-wheelers. You should get the sum as 15,46,824. You see, children, what is given in the question? There are certain vehicles. A company manufactures both two-wheelers and four-wheeler vehicles. Yes. So when we add both the two and four-wheeler vehicles, what should we get? We should get the total number of vehicles manufactured. Yes. Now that is what we will be doing here. What is the number of two-wheelers that we got? It was already given in the question, right? 12,18,452 plus what is the number of four-wheelers that we got? 3,28,372. Now let us check our answer by adding them. 2 plus 2, 4. 5 plus 7, 12, 1 carried. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 8, 16, 1 carried. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 3, 5 and 1. What answer did we get, children? 15,46,824. What is this? This is the same as our total number of vehicles. So we can verify or we can say with confidence that the answer we got is the correct one. The number of four-wheelers we got is the correct answer. Clear, children? Now let us study some more examples given here. See, 7 crores 28 lakhs 40,556 minus 3 crores 69 lakhs 73,024. Yes, children, again as any subtraction, what will we do? We will start subtracting from the left side. Yes, sorry, from the right side, that is from the ones place. What do we have at the ones place? 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. And then at the tens place we have 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 0, 5. Yes, 5 minus 0. When we take something, when we subtract any 0 from any number, the answer will be the number itself. Yes, suppose if I give you 5 chocolates and take away 0 chocolates from you, how many will you be left with? 5, because I have not taken anything. Now 0 minus 3 is not possible, so we are borrowing. 0 becomes 10, 4 becomes 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. 10 minus 3, 7. Now again here 3, we are having 3 minus 7, not possible, so we are borrowing. 3 becomes 13, 8 becomes 8 minus 1, 7. Now 13 minus 7, keep 7 in mind. After 7, start counting. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers, children? 6. Now next, 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 is not possible. So again we will borrow. 7 becomes 17, 2 becomes 1. 17 minus 9. After 9 you have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. How many fingers? 8. So 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Now 1 minus 6 not possible. So again we are borrowing. Yes, 1 becomes 11, 7 becomes 6. 11 minus 6, 5. Lastly 6 minus 3, 3. Clear, children? This was just an example for you to study. Now let us subtract these two very large numbers. Yes, what are these numbers here? 3 crores 85 lakhs 8,291. These are very big 8-digit numbers, right? So let us subtract and see. 1 minus 0, 1. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 0, 2 minus 2, 0. 8 minus 3, 5. Now 0 minus 1. Yes, 0 minus 1 is what we cannot subtract. So we are borrowing. 10 minus 1, 9. 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 crore 30 lakhs 95,091. It is the same, children, be it 1-digit number, 2-digit number or 8-digit number. We follow the same rules of subtraction. Coming to example number 2. 1 minus 5 not possible, so we'll borrow. 1 becomes 11, 2 becomes 1. 11 minus 5, 6. 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Now 0 minus 8 not possible, so we'll borrow. 10 minus 8, 2. 8 minus 3. Yes, open 8 fingers and close 3. What are we left with? 5. Now 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 6 minus 9 not possible, so we'll borrow. 16 minus 9. Keep 9 in mind. After 9 you have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 7 fingers. 7 minus 7, 0. So what did we get here? 70 lakhs 5,000. Sorry, this is, what is this, children? 7 crores 52,216. Yes, this is our final answer. That is how we subtract large numbers. Now look at this activity here, children. Choose the correct operations, that is either plus or minus, and fill in the missing digits. Now see, here we need to find out whether we need to add these two numbers to get the answer here or to subtract. Now how to solve this is, take the digits in the ones place, 0 and 1. 0 and 1. What are we having in the answer? 1. 0 dash 1 is equal to 1. Is 0 minus 1 is equal to 1? No. Is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1? Yes. So here we should add these both numbers. Clear, children? Take the digits in the ones place. Yes. Take the digits in the ones place. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 here. So that means we need to add 0 plus 1, 1. 9 plus 7, 16. So 1 here carried. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. Yes, children, 7 here 1 carried. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 9, again 17. 7 is written here, 1 carried. 1 plus 0, 1. Again 1 plus 0, 1. So what are the missing numbers here? 7 and 1 and 7. When we add these two, we will get this number. Clear, children? That was our first question. Now moving on to question number B. What is this here? 8 crores 75 lakhs 48,910 dash 6 crores 59 lakhs 78,056. Now again the same rule, children. Take the digits in ones places. 0, 6. The answer should be what? 4. Yes. When I add these two, 0 plus 6, what will my answer be? 6. So what can we say? That it is not plus but minus. See, 0 minus 6 means we'll borrow. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is what? 10 minus 6 is 4. So what are we doing here in question number B? We are subtracting the given numbers. Yes, just to take the your digits in units place, so that we'll find out whether to add or subtract. 875 48910 6597856. In the previous question number A, I did the addition there only, na children. If not, you can write both the numbers like this and subtract. 0 minus 6, 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Now again 0 minus 5, 0 becomes 10, 9 becomes 8. 10 minus 5, 5. 8 minus 0, 8. 8 minus 8, 0. 4 minus 7, not possible, so again we'll borrow. 14 minus 7, 7. 4 minus 9, not possible, so we'll borrow. 14 minus 9, 5. 6 minus 5, 1. 8 minus 6, 2. Yes children, if you look at the answer given here, what numbers are missing? 5 and 8. What is our final answer here? 2 crores 15 lakhs 70,854 is our final answer. Clear children? First one was addition, the second one was subtraction. Now moving on to question number C here. Again 0, 0. 0 dash 0 is equal to, what is here in the ones place in the answer? 0. Now this is a tricky question here. Even when we add zeros, we'll get 0, and when we subtract 0 from 0 also, we will get 0. Now what to do in such cases? Move to the next digit, that is the digit in tens place. 2 and 2 is equal to what should we get? Again we are having 0. Now 2 plus 2 is equal to what? 4. Yes, so now, so it cannot be plus, it is minus. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So what should we do here children? We should subtract the given two numbers. Again here we can do the subtraction here itself, or write the numbers down and do. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Then 1 minus 1, again 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Sorry, 0 is already given here, right? Yes. Then 7 minus 7, 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. And 5 is written as it is, because we do not have anything to subtract from 5. Understood children? See, let me write it here and explain. What is this number here? 5 crores 86 lakhs 70,120 minus 86 lakhs 70,120. Now see, these are same numbers here, right? So the answer automatically becomes zeros. Now when we subtract the same number from itself, the answer will be 0. So here 5 written as it is. What is our answer children? 5 crores is our answer. I hope this was clear. Question number C was clear. In A we added, in B and C we needed to subtract. Now coming to question number D. Here again 2, 0, 2. Now again here is a tricky question. 2 plus 2 is equal to 2, and 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, and 2 minus 0 is also equal to 2. Again what to do? Go with the digit in tens place. 1 plus 5. 1 and 5 is equal to 6. We know that 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So we need to add the given numbers. Let us add. What are these numbers here? 2 crores 56 lakhs 94,812 plus 7 crores 14 lakhs. Sorry, see, this is what mistakes will do. Write the number in the exact place value. 71 lakhs 45,650. Now when we add 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2, 2, 1 plus 5, 6, 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carried, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. This is 5 children, this is not 6. Now 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 1 carried, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 5 plus 7, 12, 1 carried, 2 plus 1, 3. What did we get here? 3 crores 28 lakhs 40,462. So what are the numbers missing here? 28 lakhs 462. Yes, 8 and 4 are the missing digits here. Coming to the last question, that is question number E. What is the number here, children? 70 lakhs 50 dash 12 lakh 45,680 is equal to. Now again, if you look at the one digits, it is 0 only. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 minus 0 is also equal to 0. So we'll go with the digit in tens place. 5, 8 is equal to 7. Now 5 plus 8 is equal to what? 13. So it's not plus, it is obviously minus. What it is? It is minus. So let us subtract these two numbers and see. 7 crores 70 lakh 50. Is it 70 lakhs? Yes, it is 70 lakh 50 minus 1 minus 12 lakhs 45,680. Now 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 8, that means we need to borrow. Now all these zeros become 9 and 7 become 6. Yes, 15 minus 8, 7. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. What is the answer that we got, children? 57 lakhs 54,370. Now what digits are missing here? Only the digit 4. Understood, children? This is how we do these type of questions. I hope this was clear. Now let us solve some word problems. Rishi bought 2 houses for 54 lakhs 50,000 and 28 lakhs 75,000. Find the total money spent by Rishi. Find also which costs more and by how much. See, children, we need to find out the total amount spent. How do you find out the total? By adding. Yes, so first let us add the given two numbers. What are these? These are the prices of house 1 and house 2. All 0 plus zeros become 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 7, 12, 1 carried. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8, 13, 1 carried. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 83 lakhs 25,000 rupees. What is this? This is our total cost. Now what do we need to find out? Which house costs more? Now if you compare these two houses, which house costs more, children? House 1. Yes. See, we are having 5 in 10 lakhs place and 2 in 10 lakhs place. 5 is greater than 2. So 54 lakh 50,000 is greater than 28 lakh 75,000. Now by how much is it more? How to find out? Very simple. Yes, subtraction, right? We need to subtract. When we subtract these two numbers, we will find out by how much is one house costlier than the other. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 5, that means we need to borrow. 10 minus 5, 5. Again need to borrow here. 14 minus 7, 7. Again need to borrow. 13 minus 8, 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. What is the answer, children? 25 lakh 75,000. This is by how much house 1 is costlier than house 2. I hope this was clear. Coming to the question number 4. Naveen's annual salary is 10 lakh 15,800 rupees and his wife's salary is 9 lakh 19,590. If their annual expenditure is 15 lakh 14,99,995. What will be their annual savings? Again, as discussed, see, from the total amount we spend some amount. Yes, we use money to buy certain things, so that is called as our expenditure. Now after we have paid for all the expenditure, we will be left with some amount. Yes, so that amount is called as savings. From this, what did you understand? From the total amount we need to subtract the expenditure. First, let us find out the total amount, that is the total salary. 10 lakhs plus 9 lakhs. 10 lakh 15,800 plus 9 lakh 19,590. 0, 9, 3, 1 carried, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 1 carried, 3, 9, 1. What is the total income, children? Total salary received is 19,35,390. Now from that, let us subtract our expenses minus expenses. What are the expenses? 14,99,995. Now 0 minus 5 is not possible, so we'll borrow. 10 minus 5, 5. Again 8 minus 9 not possible. 9 minus 9, 18. Now here again we need to borrow. 12 minus 9, 3. Again borrow. 14 minus 9 is 5. Again we need to borrow. 12 minus 9 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. What is the amount left, children? 4,35,395. Yes, what is this? This is the annual savings. Annual means what? Per annum, for the whole year. In a year, Naveen and his wife save 4,35,300. Yes, children, here we need to find out the missing numbers. Now this is the last topic for our today's class. If you observe, we are given the population of Gujarat. Okay, total of 6,4,39,692 people live in Gujarat. Now in Gujarat we have both rural places and urban places. Yes, now the population in urban places is given, but the population of rural places is not given. How do we find out that, children? Yes, correct. We subtract. When we subtract the, what do we subtract here? When we subtract the number of people living in urban places from the number of people living in Gujarat, the whole of Gujarat. Yes, then we will get the number of people living in rural places. Let us subtract. 2 minus 3 is not possible, so we'll borrow. 12 minus 3, 9. 8 minus 8, 0. 6 minus 0, 6. 9 minus 5, 4. Again here 3 minus 4 is not possible. 13 minus 4, 9. Now 3 minus 7 is not possible, so we'll borrow. Yes, children, when we borrow from 0, 0 becomes 9. Yes, but actually 0 has nothing to give, right? So first 0 borrows from 6. So 0 becomes 10, 6 becomes 5. Now from this 10, 4 borrows. So 10 becomes 9, 4 becomes, 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 7 is 6, 9 minus 5 is 4, 5 minus 2 is 3. What is this, children? 3 crores 46 lakhs 94,609. This is the total number of people living in the rural area of Gujarat. Now from that rural places, in that rural places there are both male and female living. Yes, children, there are both male and female. Now the number of male is given. We need to find out the number of female. Again, how do we do that? Yes, very good. Subtract. Subtract the number of male from the total population. Then we will get the number of female. Now when we subtract 9 minus 9, 0. 0 minus 5. Okay, let me erase this above one so that it becomes clear for us. Yeah. Now 0 minus 5 is not possible, so borrowing. 10 minus 5, 5. 6 minus 1, 4. Now again 4 minus 9 is not possible, so borrowing. 14 minus 9 is 5. Now 8 minus 9, again we need to borrow. 8 becomes 18, 6 becomes 5. 18 minus 9 is 9. 5 minus 7, again we need to borrow here. 15 minus 7 is 8. Again 3 minus 7 is not possible, so borrowing. 3 becomes 13. Again 3 becomes 2. 13 minus 7 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. What is the number of female children? This is what? This is the number of female living in rural areas. 1 crore 68 lakh 95,450. Clear? Now we have solved this whole part, that is the number of people living in rural areas and also the number of female. Now coming to this second part, the number of people in urban places is already given, yes, and the number of female is given. Now we need to find out the number of male. Again the same thing, total number of people in urban areas minus the number of female, that is 1 crore 36 lakhs 92,101. 3 minus 3 2, 3 minus 1 2, 8 minus 0 8. Now 0 minus 1 is not possible, so borrowing. 10 minus 1 9, 4 minus 2 2. Now 4 minus 10 again is not possible, so borrowing. 14 minus 9 5, 6 minus 6 0, 5 minus 3 2, 2 minus 1 2. Now what is this children? 1 crore 20 lakhs 52,982. This is 2. So this is the number of male living in the urban places of Gujarat. Clear children? How did we solve this? Yes, I hope this was clear. Now a similar problem, another problem is given, that is the population of Tamil Nadu. See here the total population of Tamil Nadu is not given for us, okay? Is not given. So now here we cannot find out the number of people in urban places. Now coming to the rural places, the total number of people in rural places is given. Yes, of that 42 crores are male. Of this 83 crores, 42 crores are male. Now we need to find out the female living in rural areas. Again, how do we do that children? Total number of people living in rural places subtracted with the total number of male living in the rural places, that is 42 crores 76 lakhs 32,643. Now subtracting 8 minus 3 5, 4 minus 4 0, 4 minus 6 it is not possible, so we are borrowing. 4 becomes 14, 3 becomes 2. 14 minus 6 is how much children? Keep 6 in mind. After 6 start counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? 8. So 8 is our answer here. Now 2 minus 2 0, 6 minus 3 3. 4 minus 6 is not possible, so we are borrowing here. 14 minus 6, again just now we have done, right? 8. Now again 2 minus 7 not possible, so we are borrowing. 2 becomes 12 and 3 becomes 2. 12 minus 7 5. 2 minus 2 0. 8 minus 4 4. Now what did we get children? 40 crores 58 lakhs 30,805. This is the number of female living in the rural places of Tamil Nadu. Clear? Okay. Now moving on to the second part, that is the urban places. Now if you look at this children, the number of male and female living in urban places is given. Yes, the total number of male and female living in urban places is given. Now we need to find out the total population of urban places. How is it? How do we find out? Yes, very good. We need to add the number of male and female. The number of male is 19 crores 54 lakhs 89,200 and the number of female is how much children? 17 lakhs 34,679. Now when we add these two, 0 plus 9 9, 0 plus 7 7, 2 plus 6 8, 9 plus 4 13, 1 carried, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 12, 1 carried, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 7 12, again 1 carried, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 1 7. Now 1 and 9 as it is. What is it children? 19 crores 72 lakhs 23,879. Now this is the number of people living in the urban places of Tamil Nadu. Yes children. Now what do we have? We have rural places. Total population of rural places was already given. Now we have found out the total population of urban places. Now when we add these two, what will we get children? Yes, we will get the total population of Tamil Nadu. So let us add. Now this is the urban plus the number of people in rural. 83 crores 34 lakhs 63,448. Now adding. 9 plus 8 17, 1 carried. 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 4 12, 1 carried. 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 4 13, 3 here 1 carried. 7 2 plus 6 8, 2 plus 4 6, 7 plus 3 10, 0 here 1 carried, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 3 13, 3 here 1 carried, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 8 10. Now what is our final? Now what answer did we get, children? Now count the number of digits here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, it is a big 10 digit number. First I'll erase whatever we have done above. Okay. Now let us write the place value of this. What is this? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Now what is this? This is called as Arab. Okay children, after 10 crores we have Arabs. So 1 Arab, 3 crores, 6 lakhs, 87,327. What is this? This is the total population of Tamil Nadu. Clear children? How did we do this problem? Okay. Now we have come to the end of